123 here, standing in my studio. See? See? My stuff is in the background. Not for my webcam. Sims is on. You know who's holding the camera? Cassidy Moore 123 or Cass Elara Moore.
Alara.
Elara.
No one pronounces it right. It's not Alara. I hate that name.
Elara, whatever.
There's a difference.
My bird is here. You can tell her mood by her feathers. Like, if they go really up, she's like really excited or something. And if they go down, she's kind of relaxed.
Can I pet you? Yay. So Maddie, do your stuff for as much minutes as you want, and I will film whatever you do. Okay. I wish we could replay that in like slow motion.
She just did a face plant on her cage. Oh, my poor Scouty.
Let's see her reaction. She looks kind of crippled.
I want to see her eye. How's her eye?
Come on, bird's eye. Bird's eye. Don't open
She's
your
not
mouth.
moving.
She's opening her mouth. Well, she was. Okay, say
her
something.
beak has a dent in it. See? See that? On the side of her beak, it's like it has a little dent in it.
Okay, I'm gonna get up here and film you. Do something interesting, and when it gets to 5 minutes, I'm stopping it.
Did you hit your head again?
She's trying to murder her bird.
I'm not trying to. She's trying to murder herself.
She won't fly. Oh my gosh!
She literally won't fly.
She's holding on to your shirt, and you're not even holding her. Wow, that's funny.
Well.
That's so funny.
Shoulder. Don't poop on me, Scout.
Well, her tail's up, so I'm suspecting she will. She didn't. Her tail's still up. Oh my crap. Stop that. I'm on your bed.
Stop trying to run away from her. She's scared. Oh, my Scouty, don't be scared.
Well, this was more interesting than the last one we made.
Yes, it was. Come on.
Don't get the pizza.
Okay.
Yay.
We're making a YouTube video.
You're filming this messy room?
Yes.
We were filming her flying. She had a face plant right
I know,
there.
but look at the mess in this room. Let's check it on the other
Dun,
room.
dun, 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 dun. Well, we'll make another video on your account in that room.
No, let's move into the room.
Okay.
Come on.
Bring the pooping bird.
She doesn't. I mean, she does, but she doesn't do it.
Okay, now we're in what was apparently her sister's room, who we know will be back because she said she was going to live with Maddie's dad. Apparently that's what Maddie says, but she'll be back.
Hopefully. I mean, I hate her doing what she did. And I'm not going to say it because this is going to be on YouTube. Oh, my Scouty, why are you sitting?
Dude,
What?
you're like going like...
This rolls up, okay? It runs up my belly. Kind of. It runs up my back.
Well, this is your account, not mine, so whatevs.
I can do whatever I want.
Yeah.
Look, she left her thing.
Oh, those are so good.
She left her thing.
I'm going to put it in my scalp.
Let me do it. Because different people do different things. Your head shape is weird.
What the heck? Give me it. Actually, it doesn't tickle this time. I scratched my head a lot because of the dandruff, and you could see the dandruff in my nails this morning. So I got all my itching out. That's why I don't feel it. Okay.
Look at her closet. She has 2 closets.
What the heck? She does?
This closet. This closet.
How much clothes did she have?
A lot.
Wow.
And now my sister claimed my room at my dad's, and she literally just dumped all her stuff in random places, and it's a huge mess.